Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we're gonna change wiper blades on this 2018 Jaguar E-Pace. This car is manufactured from 2017 and takes wiper blade size 26 on driver side and 19-inch on passenger side. We're gonna use top lock C adapters to fit it on the this type of arm. You can put the wiper arm into the service mode, but it's not necessary for this type of fitting. So if you have a look, you've got button over here. You just simply push it in, lift the wiper arm slightly, push it in, and you can take off the wiper blade. We're going to put some cloth under the wiper arm to protect windscreen. Now we're going to take one of the adapter. That's top lock C. We're going to use a 19-inch long blade for this side. On the HEYNER Hybrid, you've got this protective covers. Please remember to remove it before fitting. And what we do, we're gonna fit the adapter first on the wiper arm, and then I'm gonna attach it into this slot like that. But it's easier when we do it this way. So first that goes in, you click, and then yeah, and job done. Yeah, driver side we're gonna do the same. So again, we're gonna push this button and push wiper blade this way. I put the wiper blade away and use the lovely pink cloth to protect windscreen. Now I'm gonna take out the wiper blade. Inside the HEYNER Hybrid you've got the hook cover and hook adapter. We won't need that for this type of arm. So again, we've got the 26-inch long wiper. We take off the protective cover, and now we're gonna take the second of the adapter, and again gonna fit that onto the wiper arm, click, and then we can attach wiper blade. Please remember to put it in correct position so the HEYNER logo is visible from the inside of the car. And now we just need to attach the wiper blade. Yeah, and job done. Thank you for watching. If you wish to get one of these jacks, you can go to link down below to Hatfield Jaguar Wakefield. They will give you a really good deal. Thank you for watching.